Most people think that downloading apps on Android only means opening the Google Play Store and searching for an app there. They assume there aren't any other options, but that's not true. There are actually many different app stores available. In fact, phone manufacturers like Samsung and Xiaomi even include their own app stores on their devices. Today, I'm going to show you a very interesting app store that most people still don't know about. It's called Komi Store. If you don't know what GitHub is, it's the world's largest software repository, a platform where developers from all over the world upload their projects so others can download, improve, or contribute to them. Since thousands of new open-source Android apps are published there all the time, Komi Store makes it easy to discover and install them through a clean, user-friendly interface. You can download Komi Store from its official website, which I'll leave in the description below. It comes as an APK file, so you'll need to allow installation from unknown sources on your Android device. Once it's installed, simply open the app. There's no account to create or sign in with. You can start browsing right away. Inside, you'll find all kinds of unique apps. For example, I found an AI tool that lets you run a ChatGPT-like assistant directly on your phone. It works offline, doesn't require an internet connection, and you don't have to pay any subscription fees. But that's just the beginning. I also found apps for game development, remote PC control, ebook readers, Android utilities, and so much more. It's honestly amazing, and I could spend hours exploring all the new software that appears there. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find the official download link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.